Believe it or not, India is filled with destinations that feel like foreign getaways, yet are right here at home. In this video, we are exploring 3 such incredible places. Spiti Valley, a high-altitude wonderland. Andaman Islands, tropical paradise straight out of a postcard. Kashmir, snowy peaks and serene lakes that feel like the Swiss Alps. I'll walk you through when to go, what to see, top highlights and even typical flight costs and average tour packages for each place. So if you love travel, beauty and discovering hidden gems, keep watching. Spiti Valley. Welcome to Little Tibet. Spiti Valley, nestled in the Lahaul Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh, is a place where time feels slower, skies are bluer and landscapes are unlike anywhere else in India. Why it feels like a foreign place? Spiti's barren high-altitude deserts, dramatic mountain ranges, and Tibetan-style monasteries give you a sense of being in a remote Himalayan world, almost Tibet itself. The silence and space hit differently the moment you arrive. Best time to visit? May to February. Roads are open and weather is pleasant. Winters are harsh with heavy snowfall, making many routes inaccessible. Top attractions: Key Monastery, one of the oldest and largest monasteries in Spiti, perched dramatically on a hilltop. Chandratal Lake, also called the Moon Lake, known for its mirror-like turquoise water and breathtaking sunsets. Kaza Town, the heart of Spiti with local culture, cafes and travel hubs. Village stops at Kibber, Langza and Hikim, ancient traditions and panoramic views. High mountain views, snow peaks, steep valleys and stark landscapes everywhere you look. Typical experience: travelers usually start from Shimla, Manali or Chandigarh and drive deep into the Spiti region through scenic routes and offer cliffside views and epic mountain backdrops. Flight and travel tips: Spiti doesn't have its own airport. The nearest major airports are Bhuntar, Kullu or Manali and Chandigarh. From there, it's a scenic road journey to Spiti. You will feel like you have crossed into another world as the landscape evolves from green hills to a cold desert. Average package reference: Spiti is a photographer's dream, an adventurer's playground and a cultural treasure, and nothing feels quite like it anywhere else in India. Andaman Islands, India's tropical wonderland. If your dream beach vacation looks like turquoise water, powder white sand and coral reefs, then the Andaman Islands are calling you. Why it feels like a foreign place? Crystal clear seas that rival the Maldives and Caribbean, lush green islands and pristine beaches make Andaman feel like an overseas island escape. Best time to visit: October to May. Perfect weather, calm seas and ideal conditions for water activities. Top attractions: Radhanagar Beach, Havelock Island, known as the best beach in Asia. Scuba diving and snorkeling. Dive into coral reefs and swim with colorful marine life. Neil Island, peaceful beaches and scenic views. Cellular Gel, Port Blair, a historical monument with a moving light and sound show. Crystal and Elephant beaches, great for water sports and swimming. Typical experience: most travelers fly into Port Blair, then take ferries or speedboats to islands like Havelock and Neil. The experience is laid back, scenic, and perfect for beach lovers and families alike. Flights and cost insights: from major cities like Mumbai or Delhi, direct flights to Port Blair take about 5 to 6 hours with a stop. No direct non-stop flights yet. Typical round-trip fare from Mumbai often ranges between 8,000 to 20,000, depending on season and booking time. Average package reference: an Andaman itinerary for 4 to 6 nights, including hotel stays, transfers, sightseeing, and water activities. Typically starts around 25,000 to 45,000 per person. Luxury options go higher, of course, with the premium resorts and scuba experiences. Andaman is basically a tropical escape right here in India, with beaches that will make you forget you are even on the mainland. Kashmir, the jewel of the Himalayas. Kashmir often earns the title Heaven on Earth, and with a good reason. Snow-capped peaks, serene lakes, lush valleys, and cozy houseboats give you an experience similar to Switzerland. Why it feels like a foreign place? The blend of glacial mountains, alpine landscapes, and peaceful lakes makes Kashmir feel like Europe, but with its own unique culture and charm. Best time to visit? Winter, December to Feb. Snowy landscapes perfect for snowfall and skiing. Spring to summer, March to June. Mild weather, blooming valleys, and scenic trails. Top attractions: Dal Lake and Shikara rides, Srinagar. Romantic boat rides on the lake. Gulmarg, world-class ski slopes and the famous gondola ride. Pahalgam, rivers, meadows, and nature walks. Sonmarg, golden meadow with glacier views. Local markets, pashmina shawls, handicrafts, and Kashmiri cuisine. Typical experience: fly to Srinagar airport, then explore the valley by road. Every town offers a different vibe, from serene lakes to snowy hills and flower-lined trails. Flights and cost in sight. Kashmir is easily accessible year-round thanks to direct flights from major cities like Delhi and Mumbai. Flight fares vary by season. Winter and peak season flights can be higher. Average package reference. A 5 or 7 day Kashmir tour package that includes hotel stays, sightseeing, shikara rides, and local transfers can range widely depending on season and comfort. But packages often start from 25 to 35,000 per person. From snowy winters to peaceful spring days, Kashmir captures hearts like a few places can. So there you have it, 3 Indian destinations that look and feel like foreign vacations, yet are right here in own backyard. Spiti Valley, dramatic high altitude, deserts and monasteries. Andaman Islands, tropical seas that rival the Maldives. Kashmir, snow-clad peaks and serene lakes that feel like the Alps. Each place offers its unique experiences, unforgettable views, and memories you will cherish forever. Which one will you visit first? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this travel guide, like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and detailed destinations breakdowns.